Asiphinde sinibingelele sinamukele ngaphansi kwe-YouTube channel uSiba lukaZulu. Kumbukiso wethu namhlanje sizobheka ukuthi si-aplaya kanjani for u-NSFAS. Ama-late application avuliwe from i-13 January up until i-24 January, up until Friday. So if umuntu ofuna ukuyofunda, make sure that you apply. Noma ngabe isikolo akasitholi, but apply, uhlale u-applyile for refunding. Uku-aplaya uzongena ku-Google Chrome wakho. Ungena ku-Google Chrome wakho and then you type lapha NSFAS application. Uzongena lapha kwi-first link. Izobe seyikuthatha-ke seyikubeka lana. Mawufika lana you click lapha nangu my NSFAS lapha lapho ubhalwe lapha ngoku-orange, you click lapha my NSFAS, my NSFAS. Izobe seyikuthatha-ke seyikubeka la. Login, because thina sizo-aplaya for NSFAS, so we are not going to log in. Sizoklikha lapha ku-create profile. Mawuklikha lapha ku-create profile, izobe seyiveza kanje to create profile. Laphana you write lapha laphana ekuqaleni you write your name. You just write your name. Gama lakho uma ngabe kuwuSandile, you write Sandile. Uma ngabe uSandile Innocent, wabhala umabili lapha. Last name, ubhala your surname lapha, ubhala isibongo sakho. And then ID number, ubhala i-ID number. If you are married, you click lapha ku-yes. If you are not married, you select to no lapha. Are you disabled? If ukhubazekile, you click yes. If ungakhubazekanga, you click no. Lapha ku-race, you choose lapha African, Asian, Colored, Indian, uyazazi wena ukuthi uyini. Province, select i-province okuyo lapha. Applicant email, i-email yakho ozotholakala kuyo lapha, uzoyisebenzisa for uku-aplaya. Ubhala i-email yakho lapha, email applicant. You write your email njengoba injalo. If your email is 12345@gmail.com, uyayibhala njengoba injalo lapha i-email yakho. Contact, laphana you fill your contact number, ubhala inamba yakho yocingo laphana, and then you accept lapha. Click, you select lela bhokisi ukuthi you have read and understood the T's and C's. You can also download them uwafunde ngesikhathi sakho. To protect your password, to protect your profile, you just create a password laphana. Make sure ukuthi iba strong. You can write i-password mhlambe uthi if igama lakho, let's say mhlambe i-password that will be easy to remember. If igama lakho ku-Asanda, mhlambe ubhala ukuthi Aso, mhlambe lapho ukhetha inamba 1 2 3 4, and then ubhala uhash lapha, strong leya password. You can create any password, but ikwazi ukuthi laphana kube i-password strong. So now uzo-create yakho, then you confirm. La ku-confirm password, you just write njengoba bowuyibhalile lapha ngaphezulu. uyibhale njengoba unjalo, and then you select lapha ukuthi I'm not a robot. Ensure that you complete all fields which are compulsory. These compulsory fields of in bracket blocks are indicated by the asterisks. So lokho kulapho okufakwa iy'ta ezi-red, make sure that laphana uyagcwalisa ngoba it is important. Then you click lapha proceed for funding. Usuqedile njalo, your application izobe seyihambile. Then later you'll have to upload ama-documents. Asibonge, asithembe ukuthi kuningi ozokufunda kulo mbukiso wethu namhlanje. Uma ngabe unombuzo, shiya lapho ukuphawula kwakho kuma-comment.